launched in the 2017 model year to replace the previous R57 convertible. The F57 came along and was the convertible variant of the new F56 hardtop. Quite an interesting looking car. I thought personally that the F57 convertible was probably one of the best looking mini convertibles out of all of the previous generations, just because of the overall aesthetic and the way the car looked. So with that in mind, I have 3 examples, and we have them up on the screen. The first one is from Carvana, and it's a 2018 mini JCW convertible, as you can see. I can't tell if it's Rebel Green or black, but it is a fairly nice one. Manual gearbox, of course. It looks like it has the large navigation screen because it has the gesture control knob on the center console. It has the Alcantara seats, and I think that confirmed it when I was looking at the car. Yep, it has the bigger screen. So there is that. Very, very nice. Has Harman Kardon, of course, because why wouldn't you? It looks like it's midnight black, so black's not necessarily my favorite color, but we are looking for a car for the Dream Garage, which, by the way, is sponsored by outmotoring.com, so check them out if you're looking for accessories or replacement parts for your JCW convertible. But this car looks pretty good. I don't see anything inherently wrong with it. It has the 17-inch track spoke wheels, that's nice. The price is $24,590 with 24,000 miles. That's pretty good mileage for a 2018 model year. So with that in mind, let's hop over to CarMax and look at the 2017 JCW that I have. This one has the, I believe these are called circuit spoke wheels, and same interior, manual transmission. Very nice, like the floor mats, like the red line interior, very nice. Overall, very nice car. What color is this, though? It is black, so 2 black ones so far. Nice car. A little bit of wear on the shift knob, though, but it looks like it might have been well driven, even if it's only been driven for 28,000 miles at 21.9. So if we go back to the Carvana one, 24.5 for 24,000 miles, 21.9 for 28,000 miles. Not much difference in price, really, so it could come down to some other variables between these two. We're also not into the model years yet where they had the Union Jack taillights, so that's another thing to take into consideration. If you really want the Union Jack taillights, you might have to go to a later model year, and at that point you might risk getting automatic only. So let's go over to the Auto Trader, and we have this 2017, which is Rebel Green. This one is in Snellville, Georgia. $13,980. This is the lowest priced one out there. 115,000 miles. And very, very nice looking car. I mean, we got a little bit of hazed over on the headlights. That's normal, that's to be expected. Doesn't look like the bumpers have turned blue. We do see some tiger striping on the wheel arches though. But overall, not a bad looking car. Looks like it's been well driven, well taken care of. Regular JCW bucket seats inside, not the Alcantara. I like the little gauge pods on the dash. I would love to have those. I've seen minis with them, but I don't think they're available in the later cars. Overall, very nice. It's not a manual though, this one's an automatic. Okay, so they lied to me and told me it was a manual. It said it was a manual, that's what I searched, but it's an automatic. Okay, so we're down to 2. So we got this example from CarMax, very nice. And we got this example from Carvana, also very nice. 24,000 with 24,000 miles, 2018. 21,000 with 28,000 miles, 2017. Well, my money is going to be spent on the newer one, so I'm going to go with the 2018 John Cooper Works, just because it's a newer car. Yes, it has the 17-inch wheels. I can put bigger wheels on the car if I choose to, but overall, I think this is the better looking car. Midnight black, not a bad color combo. The side stripes are kind of cool. I could also change them if I decide I don't want them, but this one just looks like it's been fairly well taken care of overall. The seats look good, the bonnet stripes look good, just the overall aesthetics of the vehicle look good. It's tidy, it's clean, it's a decent looking vehicle. I think this would be the one to put in the Dream Garage. So let me know in the comments below if you think I made a right choice here, if you think there was a better one out there. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end. I'll see you all in the next one.